Is camping by the Sierra Madre Mountains in the Philippines the perfect escape from the city? Well, it can be. I came to the River Ranch campsite in Tanay, Rizal, to find out. Situated by a lazy, slow-moving river and surrounded by the outstanding hills of the Philippines' longest mountain range, the campsite surprised me. Firstly, how peaceful it was. So I enjoyed eating top-rated camping food by a slow-moving river and the sweeping mountain views of the Sierra Madre. Pure peace, a joy not to be missed. I could literally feel the city's stress leaving my body. I made a friend along the way. And me? I'm Jeff, by the way. So, stick around for a few minutes, enjoy the nature, the good food, and maybe pick up a camping hack or two. Come on, let's go to the River Ranch. The ground's hard round here. Sometimes difficult to get them tent pegs in deep enough. Putting the tent up is routine now. Once you've done it once or twice, it gets easier. But getting the priorities right is important. So first things first, getting the tarp up, so at least I've got shade against the hot sunshine. I've only recently started camping in the Philippines, and my gear is very basic. Just enough for a comfortable couple of days or so. I'll build on my existing equipment though as the weeks go by. But I like to keep things simple. You don't need much if all you're trying to do is to reconnect with nature. I don't mind roughing it, but one thing I did go for, a bit of comfort. It was an inflatable mattress, but I've only got a hand pump, no mod cons here. So it's a bit of effort just to get it right, but here we go. Perfect. If not just a little bit tiring. Time to slow down, time to relax a little bit, time to cool down. I don't know the name of the river here that runs past the River Ranch, but I do know it's a great way to cool down after the work's been done. Oh, it's so nice. The water's warm, but it's so refreshing. This is why you come camping. Peace and quiet. When I think of camping and camping food, this is, every time I think of it, it is the food which is synonymous with camping. And if you prepare it at home, you don't get any of the hassle either. So that's what we've done. The best food, and it's quite easy to do as well. Just do everything at home before you come. No hassle, no cooking when you get away. Coming camping on a Sunday night is... This is our tent here. There's absolutely nobody. There's one car here and it's just about to leave. And we've got the campsite to ourselves. Does anybody else think 800 pesos per head is expensive for a campsite? To pitch a tent in admittedly beautiful surroundings, but 800 pesos per head? Is that normal? It sounds expensive to me, but it may be the going rate, I don't know. For 150 pesos, they'll bring you a small bunch of seasoned wood because no camp is complete unless you have a campfire, of course. No amazing sunset last night, and no great sunrise this morning either. Just a haunting low cloud blanketing the trees, soon to be melted away by the sun. But listen to that dawn chorus, hundreds of birds just saying good morning to each other. "5:30 a.m. Listen to the dawn chorus. Listen to them birds from all directions. Morning, Jeffrey. That's what they're saying. That's nice to wake up to. Although I've mentioned, I think the cost for a campsite is quite expensive, 800, just to pitch a tent for the night per person. And it does have facilities over here, which are quite nice, to be honest with you. But since I'm surrounded by nature, I might as well use nature's resources. And that's quite cold. Well, yesterday it was nice and warm, but that is quite cold and refreshing. I'm afraid, but we've made one friend along the way. Look, Kitty. Always asleep unless he's getting chicken off us. But he's not coming back. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, keep smiling, and leave no trace. Take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints. That's it. Bye bye.